Good morning, everyone. Today, we are celebrating our 74th Independence Day. Yes, even though we are miles apart, we have come together with one heart and one mind for this year's Independence Day celebration.
Good morning, everyone. This year marks India's 74th Independence Day, and as always, we celebrate it, but this time with a difference. This time, we are doing it from the confines of our homes. As we all know, we are amidst a global pandemic, and we need to be vigilant at all times. We do not have the freedom to move around, gather, or celebrate together. This is for the first, but this is for a noble cause. We have to take this social distancing very seriously. Our safety is in our hands. We are in the face of a situation in which we have little control, but for these unforgiving circumstances, we need to do what we need to help. As Indian citizens, we can be proud that we gained independence after a lot of struggles and hurdles, and all the developments we made through these 73 years as a result of these struggles. Now, the whole world is facing yet another challenge in the form of COVID-19. These situations have affected our society in all fields and as far as we are concerned, including academic fields. But as humans living in a dynamic environment, we all have evolved to adapt to these trying times through the help of technology. I am sure we will all survive this pandemic with our perseverance and courage. My dear students, be confident, be self-motivated. Along with your studies, do some activities which make you happy. Hope you are all safe at home. Happy Independence Day.
That was our Independence Day message from our principal. Here comes our students of Standard 11 with a patriotic dance.
भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है वंदे मातरम सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्ता हमारा है वंदे मातरम सदियों से भारत भूमि दुनिया की शान है भारत माँ की रक्षा में जीवन कुर्बान है भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्ता हमारा है सनी सा वंदे मातरम उजड़ी नहीं अपना चमन टूटे नहीं अपना वतन गुमराह ना कर दे कोई बर्बाद ना कर दे कोई मंदिर यहाँ मस्जिद यहाँ हिंदू यहाँ मुस्लिम यहाँ मिलके रहे हम प्यार से
वतन आबाद रहे तू, आबाद रहे तू, आबाद रहे तू। है वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, है वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू। मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ मैं याद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ मैं याद रहे तू। है वतन मेरे वतन। तुझ पे कोई गम की आँच आने नहीं दूं, तुझ पे कोई गम की आँच आने नहीं दूं। कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे शाद रहे तू, कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे शाद रहे तू। है वतन मेरे वतन मेरे वतन आबाद रहे तू, मेरे वतन आबाद रहे तू।
वतन के आगे कुछ नहीं, खुद भी नहीं।
सारा जहां देख लिया, कहीं भी तेरे जैसा कोई नहीं है। 80 नहीं 100 दिन दुनिया घुमा है, नहीं कहे तेरे जैसा कोई नहीं। मैं गाया जहां भी बस तेरी याद थी, जो मेरे साथ थी, मुझको तड़पाती रुलाती। सबसे प्यारी तेरी सूरत, प्यार है बस तेरा प्यार ही। माँ तुझे सलाम, माँ तुझे सलाम, अम्मा तुझे सलाम। जय हो, जय हो, जय हो, जय हो।
आजा आजा जिंद शामी आने के तले, आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले।
जय हो, जय हो,
आजा आजा जिंद शामी आने के तले, आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले।
जय हो, जय हो,
जय हो, जय हो,
Indeed, भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है. And to know more about our freedom struggle, our kindergarten teachers are here with a small presentation for our little ones.
Good morning, everyone. Wishing you a very happy Independence Day. Children, do you know what day is today and what we are celebrating? Today, we are celebrating our 74th Independence Day, 15th August. In this day, our country, India, got freedom from the British rule. Now, you will be thinking, what is freedom, isn't it? If someone didn't let you play with your own toys, eat your favorite food, or don't allow to go out, do you like it? No. That means freedom to do what you like. Many years ago, our country was ruled by British Empire and India got independence on 15th August 1947. Jawaharlal Nehru became the first Prime Minister of India. Independence Day is a celebration of our freedom. It is celebrated to commemorate our freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, Jawaharlal Nehru and so many others. On Independence Day, the Prime Minister hoists our national flag in Red Fort, New Delhi. National anthem Jana Gana Mana will be played and sung at the time of flag hoist. It is celebrated with full of enthusiasm and it's a public holiday. In a school, so many functions are organized like dance, songs, sports, etc. Independence Day make us feel that we are one. That is Indians. Jai Hind. We are one. Let us all be proud of our beloved nation. We all have to collectively strive to make India vibrant, strong and supreme. Once again, Happy Independence Day. Jai Hind.
सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्ता हमारा, हम बुलबुले हैं इसकी, ये गुलिस्ता हमारा हमारा। सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्ता हमारा। पर्वत वो सबसे ऊंचा, हमसाया आसमां का, वो संतरी हमारा, वो पासबा हमारा हमारा। सारे जहां से अच्छा मज़हब नहीं सिखाता आपस में बैर रखना। हिंदी है हम, हिंदी है हम, हिंदी है हम, वतन है हिंदुस्ता हमारा हमारा। सारे जहां से अच्छा कुछ बात है कि हस्ती मिटती नहीं हमारी, सदियों रहा है दुश्मन दौरे ज़मा हमारा हमारा। सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्ता हमारा।
Colonization, and one of the most brutal rules of British was India. But a few people came forward for us to save us from that misery, our heroes, who sacrificed their lives to give us the life we live today. Many were forgotten as years passed. Some still survive in our hearts. We are here to remind you of those forgotten heroes who were tortured and executed, all for freedom. Those mighty leaders who went all in to save the nation, who led us to victory, proving ourselves as strong as the mighty British. None of us might know the great Maruthu Pandeyar, an ingenious person to create Valadi, the Indian boomerang, Rani Velu Nachiyar, the first queen to stand up against the British, How many of us know Khudiram Bose, who was arrested and hanged for rebellion? And many are still untold, unrecorded. Jallianwala Bagh, massacres by General Neil, and many more bloodshed. Coming forward, Kargil War, 2001 Bangladesh border clashes, 2016 Pathankot attack. Still, India proves itself again and again, better every time. India has overcome every hurdle in the past and will keep doing so in the future. We are Indians. We love India. Jai Hind.
That's the true spirit of an Indian. No matter how difficult the situation is, we will overcome. Happy Independence Day.